Hello students, in this video we will discuss about rules of inequalities. What is the rules of inequalities? There are three type of rules which is known as rules of inequality. First is, if any inequalities are given, then we can adding or subtracting on both sides of any positive or same any number. That means we may be adding or subtracting on both sides without affecting to the sign of inequalities. This is the first rule. That is, suppose x plus 5 is greater than 9. Then, if we want to find the solution of this inequality, then we can adding or subtracting on both sides of these inequalities to the same numbers without affecting this sign of these inequalities. Now subtract 5 on both sides. Therefore, this will be x plus 5 minus 5 is greater than 9 minus 5. You can see here 5 and 5, sign of these both 5s are minus. That means we subtract 5 from both sides. Then this will be 5 and 5 will be cancelled. X is greater than 9 minus 5 is 4. That means solution of x, this inequality is all numbers which is greater than 4. And we can express on the number line, suppose this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3 and this is the 4. Since this is the greater than 4, that means we will make a blank circle here and show the arrow in the positive direction of number line, and we make I like this, I did I like this. This represent the x is greater than 4. And if this will be including means if this sign used as a greater than or equal to, then here greater than or equal to, that means this will be greater than or equal to. That means these 4 will be including. So we should be dark this circle. But here in our question given that greater than 9. So this sign will be I like this. Second, we may be multiplying or divide by any positive numbers without affecting the sign of inequalities. That means if x upon 5 is less than or equal to 15, then what will be solution? If we want to find the solution of this, then this will be multiplying by 5 on both sides. Then this will be 5 into x upon 5 is less than or equal to 15 upon 5. Since same process doing on both sides, but which process will be taken? Since as is seen here, x upon 5, that means 5 is in the division of x. So we will take the just opposite process of this process. That means this is in division, so we will doing multiply. Here this is the positive, that means addition, so we will take subtraction. If here subtraction, then we will take addition. And here if we given addition, multiplication, then we will take subtraction. Division. Now 5 and 5 will be cancelled, so this will be x is less than or equal to 5 3 are 15. So solution of this will be on the number line. This is the 0, 1, 2 and 3. Since this is the including, so sign of this will be in this direction, negative direction, because x is less than or equal to 3, but 3 is also including. Now next rule of inequality is the third rule. We may be divide or multiply by any negative number also, whatever required. So if we take an example, suppose here minus 5x plus minus 5x is greater than or equal to 5. Then what will be solution of this? So multiplied by divide by minus 5. Divide by minus 5 on both sides. Therefore minus 5x whole upon minus 5 is greater than or equal to 5 upon minus 5. Minus and minus, 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Then this will be x is greater than or equal to minus 1. This is the solution. That means if we want to represent on the number line, so this is the 0 and this is the minus 1. Since minus 1 is including, so this will be dark and go into the positive direction on the number line. And this is the solution of minus x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Now in the next video, we will take some numerical problem related to this topic.